Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with QuickFile accounting software. QuickFile accounting software is cloud-based accounting software designed for small businesses and freelancers. Its main purpose is to simplify accounting tasks like invoicing, expense tracking, and reporting. Key features include invoicing, expense management, bank reconciliation, and reporting tools. Their website provides details on their various pricing plans. QuickFile positions itself as an easy-to-use and affordable alternative to more complex accounting software. They highlight their intuitive interface and transparent pricing, no hidden fees, and various plans to suit different business sizes. Availability is worldwide, accessible through a web browser. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using QuickFile accounting software. Getting started was a breeze. The sign-up process was straightforward, and I was able to connect my bank account within minutes. Navigating the interface was intuitive, the dashboard clearly displayed key financial metrics, and creating invoices was incredibly simple. I particularly appreciated the automated expense tracking. It saved me a significant amount of time. The software performed flawlessly during my testing period. It was quick and reliable. I had a quick question about VAT reporting, and their support responded within a day via email, very helpful. I was really impressed by how user-friendly the system was, even for someone not particularly tech-savvy. The standout feature for me was definitely the automated bank reconciliation. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, although their web interface is fully responsive on my phone. It took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings for custom report generation, but once I understood them, it was incredibly powerful. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with QuickFile accounting software. It's a robust yet user-friendly solution that significantly simplified my accounting tasks. While it has a few minor quirks, it generally met my needs and exceeded my expectations in terms of ease of use and functionality. That's my overview of QuickFile accounting software. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.